In this video, we're going to discuss weighted mean. So the weighted mean is when data values have different importance or weight associated with them. A good example of weighted mean is GPA. So the weighted mean formula I have provided below, where W sub I is the weight of the ith observation, and X of I is the value of the ith observation. So let's take a look at an example. Suppose a student is taking statistics, English, and calculus this semester. At the end of the course, this person earned a C in statistics, a B in English, and an A in Calc 1. What is this student's GPA this semester? Well, first of all, before anything else, we need to identify what the points for each letter grade are going to be. Well, an A in most institutions, that's 4 points. And it decreases from there. B is 3 points. C is 2 points. D is 1 point. And F is 0 points. Okay, so let's take a look then. So let's start off with the statistics course. That's a 4-credit course, and the student earned a C in statistics, so that's 2 points, so 4 times 2, plus the next one we'll take a look at is English. This person received a B in English, and we know it's 3 credits, so 3 credits. A B is worth 3 points, plus calculus, that's a 5-credit course, and this student received an A for that. So an A is worth 4 points divided by the total number of credits. So in this particular case, that would be 4 plus 3 plus 5. Okay, so doing some basic arithmetic. Keep in mind the GPA will be rounded to 2 decimal places, and we get here approximately 3.08. Okay, let's take a look at the next example then. So sometimes you have classes that have different items weighted differently. Well, like this case. Suppose for a class that you take 10% of the grade for homework, 30% of the grade for quizzes, 40% for tests, 20% for the final exam. So if you have the following percentages, homework 85, quiz average of 75, test average of 70, and received a 65 on the final exam, what is your course average? So this is going to be set up similarly. The only difference is going to be we need to convert everything to decimals. So let's start with the homework. The homework is 10%. And the homework average is an 85. Convert that. Let's go to the quizzes. That is 30% of your grade. And the quiz average is a 75. Write it as a decimal. Next, the test average is 40%. And that average was a 70%. And then the final exam is 20%. And that particular score was a 65%. Divided by the total percentages, well, that would be the 1/10 plus 3/10 plus 4/10 plus 2/10. Now, that denominator better be 1. If it's not 1, there's a problem here with the grade accordingly. So, if we multiply and we add, we get 7200s on the top, 1 on the bottom, and of course that simplifies to 7200s, and of course as a percent that's a 72%. So I'm going to write this out now. So the course average for this student in statistics is a 72%.